Welcome. In this video, we'll see how to monitor the CT and configure the CT alarms. This feature of CT input is very important to monitor the load current and see if the under or over currents are observed by making use of the CT alarms. This feature helps to maintain the equipment life for safe and stable process running. Let's begin and configure the CT and CT alarms. First, we need to make the physical connections, that is, connect the external CT around the load to the 13th and 14th pin of the temperature controller. Now, to display the current on the screen, we need to make use of the first button and press it once to see the display settings and change the display settings from set point to CT. Now we can see that the CT is being shown on the display. To configure the CT alarms, we need to make use of the last button, press it for 2 seconds and enter the main menu. In the main menu, look for the output menu, within which we'll find the output 1, which will be setting at CT. Make use of the first button to come back to the main menu. Now look for the MISC, that is the miscellaneous menu. In the miscellaneous menu, use of the down key to find the CT alarm. In the CT alarm, we have the two types of CT alarms, that is CTLo and CTHi. Make use of the CTLo to monitor the undercurrent, that is whenever there is low current the alarm glows, and CTHi for high currents. If there is a limit for highest current and the limit exceeds, the CTHi alarm operates. For this demonstration, let's set the alarm at CTLo. Enter the button to find the CT parameters. Keep all the parameters same and set the low at 3. Come back by making use of the first button to the home screen, and it is on until the current is below 3 and it turns off after the current rises above 3. To set the alarm for high currents, we make use of the last button and enter the main menu. In the main menu, look for the miscellaneous menu. Inside the miscellaneous menu, look for the CT alarm and set the CT alarm at CTHi. In the CT alarm, set the CT type to CTHi, that is, for every high current, the alarm will glow. Enter to find the high option, where we'll be setting the highest current above which the alarm should glow. For this demonstration, let's keep the high at 20 amperes. Make use of the first button to come back to the main screen. If the current goes beyond 20 amperes, the alarm glows. And that's how you make use of the CT input for CT monitoring and the CT alarms for safe and stable process running. For more setup videos, detailed explanations, visit our GIC YouTube channel.